cut 2 cups of bananas. That's 3 full bananas. Then cut 1 cup of strawberries. Then you're going to add the bananas, strawberries, half a cup of milk. You're going to need 2 cups of ice. I like to add 1 cup of ice first, being how the ice can be kind of difficult to blend. Then you're going to give it a quick blend and then add your additional 1 cup of ice and then continue to blend until smooth.
I just wanted to blend up something refreshing, being how the weather is starting to warm up. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Before you guys go, if you want to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!